Yeah, being on the social media for the past 5 years, attracting client was a big deal because the growth is slow, but then the kind of customers and clients that you get, they stay with you, they don't go away. The Facebook has helped, Orkut has helped. Every year there's this new social media coming up, and all of them have helped. Especially blogging, I keep blogging about different events happening in the city, and then I get to connect to those people, and they recommend friends and families, and ultimately their companies or employers become our client. It has been a very good journey so far. Initially, we tried the traditional model of actually going behind clients asking for business. We terribly failed because one, most people don't talk about this corruption. Everybody wants a kickback and bribe. It was very bad. So I thought, forget it. I'm not going to this. I'm going to sit at my home, blog about it, tell our business model to people. And first client that actually came to us was Savari.com. That's a huge car rental company. They saw the blog that we mentioned about being straightforward and not bribing anybody. They were very happy. They called us. After a couple of calls, we signed up. Once that signed up, it gave me time to actually sit and concentrate on my blogging, because before I was actually running around asking for business, but now Savari is keeping me busy. The cars are busy. Now I have more time to keep blogging, and we used to go meet the clients at the airport. Their clients, when they come, we welcome them. We tell them we are representing Savari and all that. So they were happy. They gave very good feedback, and that came back with more business. And social media, again, we kept connecting to those customers and those business houses. It kept connecting people. It grew from today. If any of my everybody is on Facebook, so when somebody wants a car, they find my page. They will see their friends or family, somebody or the other are the fans of that page, and they call and ask, do you know this guy? Do you know this company? Trustworthy? Immediately the other guy calls and tells me, see, my friend is coming from yours, or my friend is coming from Coimbatore, please connect with him, and they give a number. So that gives more trust. So social media has actually helped me in growing the trust in them before we close any business. So that's nice, and it was a very nice journey coming all this way. And this 27th of February, probably I should ask all my drivers to get on Facebook. Most of my clients and friends are actually friends on Facebook also.